Right, what's up everyone? I've just come back from the post office, well, a collection point for Vinted parcels. There's like 10 of them, so I thought I'd just show you kind of the things that I'm hand picking at the minute on Vinted. I've recently discovered Vinted actually for buying, and it's so cheap. It's so cheap. So yeah, the next thing you're going to see is it's going to be me opening a few parcels. Sounds boring, but it'll give you a little insight into what I'm doing. Right, so I'm just going to quickly go through them. I know this is probably going to be a boring video, but some people I guess this is like a thrift haul, essentially, because I can't go to charity shops or car boots, so I'm just buying stuff from Vinted, eBay. Not really Depop, but these are kind of things that we'll be selling eventually on Depop. So I've already unpackaged the first one because this actually came yesterday, but it's just quite a nice sweatshirt. It's Fila, it's bright orange, it's quite a modern one, but it's got the small print Fila logo there. I think I paid £5 for this plus the 99p delivery delivered to a pickup point. So that's number one. I actually don't know what I'm getting. It feels like Christmas. It actually feels like Christmas unpacking things. So I'm like, oh, is it in good condition? I forgot what I've ordered on most parts. Another sweatshirt. It's like a red kind of Canada vibe. It's got a mountain, a snow thing, and a mountain and a skier. I always mix up my words on video. It's not because I'm nervous. So that's quite cool. Nice red sweatshirt. Love a good red sweatshirt. Next up, things that are selling quite well at the minute. Oh, I paid £3 for that, or £2. I think I lowballed someone £2 for that. Same with this one. It's New Jersey Say Cheers football, American football, not football, sweatshirt. And it's quite cool. Again, maroon with the yellow. I think I paid £2 for that one. Next up, very tightly packed. What's this one? A Fila hoodie. Again, nice Fila hoodie. No, I think it's XL. It's embroidered. I like the embroidered stuff. I think that was £3. A little note saying, "Thanks for purchase." That's just thanks for purchase. We have England football shirt. £2.50 for this, I believe. It's an XXL. So I'm either going to sell this during the Euros or I'm going to turn it into a bucket hat. I'm not quite sure yet, but I love this shirt so much. Like the Nike England, just blue and white. Oh, they hit different. They hit different. But this is just, I think this is just a Nike t-shirt. So it's just a basic Nike t-shirt. I paid £1 for that. It's just a Nike t-shirt, size medium, with the old grey tag. CK sweatshirt. It's like a light grey, kind of darky brown. I think I paid £8 for this. It was quite an impulse buy. I don't actually know if they sell that well. If it was embroidered, it probably would, but it's printed. Yeah, it's £8. It's quite nice, and it's in good condition. So we'll see what we can get for that. Got another England shirt. If you don't know, I'm a bit of a collector of England shirts, a little bit. And that's just a nice Umbro shirt. It's in pretty good condition, really nice material, that one. Again, this was quite another impulse buy, but I'm expecting it to be pretty decent. It's a Nautica rugby shirt. Really big spell out, embroidered. I think it's really nice actually. Like now it's in person, I think it's really nice. I love the big embroidered stuff. I love the brand Nautica. It's not that big on Depop, but I think things like rugby shirts and sweatshirts are. So I reckon I'll be able to get a decent amount for that. I think I paid £6 for that. Think. All these are 99p postage as well, so anything that I'm saying, add 99p on for the shipping, because Vinted are doing this thing where I think they partner with Hermes and they get it shipped to various places around a certain city. I'm in Sheffield, this is 2 miles from me, so I pick them up all in one, and it's 99p shipping per item, and it's just really nice to have the option not to pay £3-4 for shipping. This was kind of like a blind bundle. I can't actually remember how much, I think I paid £20 for like a lot of t-shirts. So you can kind of see here, it's just a big, one big package of lots of t-shirts. I know there's a Nike one in there, I know there's a North Face in there. I don't really know what else is in there, to be honest. First things first, I'm not even seeing this yet, you are. It's a nice, never stop exploring embroidered centre logo North Face t-shirt. So all these they come to about £1 to £1.50 per item, including postage. So it's got a nice, I might actually keep that if it's my size. So that's double XL, which will look nice, quite nice baggy. But that was one. An Oakley, so I think that's tennis. It's either tennis or golf. Oakley, just centre logo with the O again. I actually quite like that. It's obviously not an in-demand brand, but it's quite a cool t-shirt again. I don't have enough cool black t-shirts, and all these look like cool black t-shirts. So Rockport's almost making a comeback because there's quite Rockport actually have some really cool stuff. Like, I know not a lot of people wear it, but like they have some really cool stuff. And again, I like this t-shirt. I like black t-shirts. And this is all we have at the minute in this. Helly Hansen. It's not embroidered, it's printed, but really nice t-shirt. Got a Nike 1878. Oh, that's it's a Saracens top. I wonder what it was. So it's actually a Saracens rugby football top, but it's just a really nice piece with a Nike centre. So you can see on the back it says Saracens. Size XL. I don't know what the height is, so if you know what the height is, let me know. If it's something to do with the rugby team or not. I'm not really a rugby fan. What's this one? A Diesel black t-shirt with a little logo to the side. It's not too bad. Diesel's not really that in at the minute, but it's just a black t-shirt. We like our black t-shirts. So, oh, parcel within a parcel. Look at that. It's like Inception or something. So these look like the ugly ones. Just got an O'Neill blue one. A lot of these won't be worth much. I kind of bought them just for the Nike and the North Face and and whatnot. Like I say, it was a bit of a blind purchase. Quicksilver with the mountain, the classic logo of Quicksilver. I don't know if Quicksilver goes for anything. I'd assume not. It's like one of those old things like Fire Trap, that kind of stuff. Oakley again. I quite like these Oakley stuff, man. It's got the it's like a burnt in logo. It's not embroidered and it's not printed. It's like burnt in. It's quite nice. Sonetti black t-shirt. Not quite sure if you can see that logo. There's a really small logo here. Sonetti, I'm not too sure on that brand, but we shall have a look at it. And we've got another Quicksilver. I wish the second part was the first part, if that makes sense. Because these are much worse than the first ones. I much prefer the black ones. And we've just got a Diesel t-shirt. Like all that, like the last like 5 are probably all eBay vintage jobs, but the first few are actually quite cool. And I might keep the North Face, I might keep the Nike, but I'll sell the rest. But yeah, that was my my Vinted parcel haul. These will all be on my Depop soon, but I'm photographing a hell of a lot of sweatshirts in a minute. There is so many sweatshirts downstairs, it's unbelievable. But hopefully come Monday, they'll be posted. That's going to be the end of this little video. Thanks for watching. Instagram, jamie.sco. There's going to be a giveaway soon on that for a bucket hat that I make. So go and check that out. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.